Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the Typhur InstaWisk. This is a present to give every single one of the hostesses for any party you go to this holiday season. Never before has there been such a durable quality whisk ever on the market. I know that because I make a latte every single day. I would go through one of these whisks about once a month. They always get wobbly and they stop doing their job, and the batteries have to be replaced all the time. I reached out to Typhur because I wanted their whisk and I wanted to review it. I'm so excited. I'm doing that right now. If you watch my channel, you know I have a caffeine addiction. I wake up like a zombie every day to make my latte. I have this down. This is pure body memory. The smell of the espresso gets me to base 1. Then I pour in the milk, about 4 ounces. Into the microwave it goes for 1 minute. The Typhur InstaWisk has this double head for the frother. So very quickly, it froths the milk. It's adding double the air, and it triple or quadruples the density of the foam you get with this frother than any other whisk I've ever had in my entire life. The power is amazing. The RPMs are rapid firing around and around to get that amazing froth. Can you see that? That is dense, heavy froth, and I love it. The top of the Typhur InstaWisk has a variable speed trigger, so when frothing my milk, I'm pressing it fast speed. You attain that in only a matter of seconds. I have been repeating this video over and over for you to see these parts, because in only 10 to 15 seconds, it created this type of foam from simple whole milk. Now look as I put it right on top to make my gourmet latte at home. A dash of cinnamon, and my morning started. Ready to get fired up for the day. Grand slam with my Typhur whisk. That's my most favorite recipe and a daily recipe. And the whisk utensil will come right out of the base. You can rinse it with water. That's all I do every day. Or put it in the dishwasher if you want to. This double whisk is called the spring whisk. It's got a double head for the frothing function. There is also a balloon whisk attachment. This is great for whipping eggs, cream. It snaps right into place so easily. And check out, as I whisk this egg, the balloon whisk will go right into that egg. So making a batch of scrambled eggs is done in a flash, and it completely smoothed them out. It thoroughly incorporated the whites and the yolk into one creamy egg liquid. I pulled out the balloon whisk, and now check out this hook whisk. This is great for blending protein powders, baking mixes, or oatmeal. Things like that are heavier. I grabbed a box of cake mix. I'm going to make a batter with mine. I even added 1 egg and then 2 eggs and some oil for a special pancake recipe for my kids. Let me show you how we do that. I will take 1/2 cup of that batter, and using the hook whisk, we see how great it incorporates that batter. I will mix the cake batter with those ingredients up and blend them right before I make the pancake with this hook whisk. And my recipe is to put it in hot butter on the stove, all 1/2 cup. I cook it, I add cinnamon on top, and then I give it the flip. It's a quick recipe. I serve it up with extra butter and syrup. The kids just love all that. This is a hot breakfast made in no time with my Typhur InstaWisk. Don't we all just want that bite?
One of the things my kids like for breakfast is yogurt with protein powder. This is a really thick, heavy-duty recipe. I add 1 tablespoon of protein powder to 4 ounces of yogurt. I use my Typhur whisk with the hook attachment on it. I put it in the recipe and I turn it on gradually and then add more power to blend it thoroughly. What I like about this is protein powder can often be very lumpy. So the Typhur whisk with the hook attachment is the perfect attachment to get all those lumps out. Let me pull it up with my spoon and show you. No lumps left. It's an extra healthy recipe. In only about 10 seconds, it froths that fast with this thick foam. This whisk is a multi-whisk. And let me demonstrate how to clean it. You just put it in a glass of water and turn it on. For any of the attachments, here I'm cleaning the whipped milk off the spring whisk. And in seconds, the whisk is clean. Let me show you. It's sparkling clean, just with that simple putting into water. Into the stand it goes, ready for next time.
And here's everything on a mat on my counter. It comes with a charging cord Type-C on the left, Then we see the main body of the whisk. We see the hook whisk, the spring whisk, and the balloon whisk. And on the right, there's a stand for storage, so it can be neatly displayed on your counter.
Will look great in any kitchen. Here it is with the hook whisk on the counter. There it is with the balloon whisk. And there it is with the spring whisk.
It also has a user manual that's well illustrated and in simple terms explains how to use it. It charges in 1 hour or less, depending on how fast your charging cable is. And it'll last for hours and hours, depending on what speed you have it on. This is a whisk for all occasions, whether it's for your favorite latte, your morning eggs, or your morning pancakes, or any other thing you want to make. This whisk with the 3 different whisk heads is the best in 2025 technology of kitchen gadgets. And it looks beautiful in the stand wherever you want to display it in your kitchen. I like mine next to my espresso machine. I truly get all excited with my new Typhur whisk. It is my favorite gadget for this holiday season. I hope you click the link below and get a bunch. You're going to want 10 of these because every time you go to a holiday party, you're going to want to give this to the hostess or give them out for Christmas presents. I love this so much. This is one of my favorite things I've seen all year. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one just a whisk away with a Typhur whisk. Now I'm seriously thinking about my next latte. Do I do it? I think I'm pretty ramped up already. See you next time. If you like this recipe, here's more over there. And lots of them need this great whisk to make. Just click.